This is Matt Bailey from SEO Essentials. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the work that we do to make our websites more prominent in the major search engines such as Google, Yahoo, and Bing. The more prominent our web pages are in the search engines, the more visitors and searchers will be exposed to our business information. To some businesses, this is the primary channel for gaining new customers. The ultimate goal is for your company's web pages to appear at the top of the rankings when people search for terms related to your business. However, there is limited real estate on those search engine results pages and a lot of competition for those top spots. Therefore, it is very important to ensure your web pages are optimized to maximize your chances to claim those top spots. How do search engines determine which pages are listed higher than others? The simplest way to understand the process is really to follow the money. The more visitors a search engine attracts, the more advertising they can sell. Search engines attract visitors by listing the web pages that are the most relevant to the terms people are searching for. If visitors are pleased with their results, they'll come back and use the search engine again and again. More visitors, more advertising eyeballs, more revenue. Ultimately, there are literally dozens of factors that search engines use to analyze and determine relevance for a given website. Many are secret. However, most are widely known and subsequently used by internet marketers to optimize their website for the top rankings. Everything from URLs, page titles, website copy, site architecture, and even what other websites link to your site are all factors that determine how well you will rank in the search engines. We'll explore some of these strategies in just a few minutes. We'll also cover how the SEO process works in small, medium, and large businesses and how to measure SEO results. But first, we need to define a few terms that you need to know to speak the language of SEO. The whole process starts when a visitor wishes to find a website to solve a particular problem or find a business. They may need to find an online retailer to buy a birthday present, find a local dentist, or look up data for a research paper. To find this information, the visitor may visit a search engine and type in a phrase he or she thinks relates to the business associated with this product. To find the online retailer, they may type in unique gifts. For a dentist, they might type in San Francisco dentist. And for research, they might start with website statistics. What ultimately appears on the page are then what we call search engine results. These results appear on what is known as search engine results pages, or SERPs. You may hear people talk about rank, position, or front page listing when talking about their company's own search engine results. These terms refer to where a web page is listed in the search engine results. Your rank simply means where your web page exists with regards to all the web pages listed for that term. For example, if you are in the top spot for the search term San Francisco dentist, your rank is number 1. Position is similar to rank in that it refers to where your website resides in the search engine results. A search engine position also refers to where in a given search result page you are listed. For example, if you rank number 11, you will be on the first position of the second page, since most search engines list only 10 results per page. Given the information you just learned about rank and position, you should be able to guess what front page listing means. It's when your website ranks in the first 10 spots in the search engine results, all of which are on the front page of the search engine results page. Ranking on the front page of search results is a major accomplishment for SEO, since over 50% of all clicks from search engine results come from those top 10 listings. Keywords or keyword phrases refer to words or phrases that web visitors use to find websites. For example, if you are a toy distributor, visitors may find you by going to Google and typing in the keyword phrase, children's toys. Keyword research refers to the study and planning of which keywords are most popular with searchers in any number of categories. This research ultimately guides you to know how to choose to architect your site and what keywords you should use in your title tags, page titles, website copy, headlines, etc. You've also surely heard about the term traffic or web traffic. This refers to the number of visitors who visit a website. Getting high traffic is a good thing. Getting high traffic of visitors who are interested in what your website is about is even better. Good keyword research ensures that you receive as much traffic as possible and that the traffic you receive is relevant to your product or service. Whether you are on a search engine results page or an actual website, you have encountered links. Links are clickable items on a page that guide you from search engine results to other websites, pages on your current website to pages on that same site, or from one website to the other. When you get a bit deeper into SEO, you'll also hear the term backlinks. Backlinks refer to the links from one website that point to another website. These links can also be referred to as inbound links. We'll discuss links and backlinks more in a little bit, because links from one website to another constitute a lot of how the search engines rank websites. In other discussions about search engines, you may have also heard them referred to as robots or bots, or crawler or a spider. These are all terms that refer to the software program that a search engine uses to find websites by automatically crawling the web. A search engine's robot finds and follows links to web pages, categorizes the relevant information about those pages, and then stores that data in its massive database or index. Thus, an index or search engine index is the collection of information a search engine builds, stores, and then uses to provide results for when a searcher types in a search term. Chances are you've also heard of directories, also known as web directories. Directories are a type of search engine where listings are gathered through human efforts rather than by automated crawling of the web. In directories, websites are often reviewed, summarized in about 25 words, and placed in a particular category for web visitors to search in a more structured format than a traditional search engine. Other terms to familiarize yourself with are natural listings, or also called organic listings. These are search engine results that the search engines do not sell, unlike paid listings. Search engines list the most relevant web pages for a given search keyword. Organic listings come directly from the search engine's algorithm.